In this video, we will create this very simple 4-step animated infographic. Let us start by activating the guidelines from View menu and create the center part first. Add hollow circle shape and place it at the center of the slide. Adjust the width of the circle as per your requirement. Remove outline by marking shape outline as none. Add a rectangle shape and place it over the hollow circle in middle. Create a duplicate shape using Ctrl+D and rotate it by 90 degrees. Select all the shapes using Ctrl+A and go to Shape Format tab. Select Fragments option under Shape Format menu. Delete all the unwanted fragments as shown in video. We will left with 4 sections of hollow circle. Add arc shape. Keep the width same as inner circle and extend the arc using yellow dot. Select all the 4 sections of inner circle and group them. Rotate the group by 45 degrees. Join the arc circle with one of the sections to form one set of infographic. The join has to be seamless. You can zoom in as it will help to connect the shapes better. Select all the shapes and group them as it will be easy to rotate complete group. Rotate the group so that each quadrant will have one set. Copy the arc shape and align the same to other sections. Once the shapes are placed, go to Shape Format tab. Under Shape Format menu, select Union option. Same has to be followed for all the 4 sections. Select all the shapes and align them to center and middle of the slide. We can deactivate the guidelines now. We'll add icons to the infographic. Add the relevant content to the slide. Now we can start add the colors to each section. Add a relevant heading to the slide. As our infographic skeletal is ready, we will add animations. Before that, we need to group all the contents of each section together so animation can be added. Select each group, go to Animations tab and select the required animation. We have selected wheel animation with 2 spokes for our infographic. Follow the same for other sections. Make some cosmetic changes by adding the shadow to each arc. We have applied center shadow for this infographic. Here is the final output. Please do subscribe if you liked this video.